truck all jammed up in the middle of the road. We got concrete slabs coming out of Selkirk, New York. There's a nice truck. There's another truck. The truck T-boned the CRV. Bunch of right across the street from a big lake. Here's the crane they're gonna use. They're building a Subaru builder. This is the load. This is the construction site. My dad's helping this guy back up with a trailer. Because then we gotta park ours right here. That's how they're building the Subaru factory or sales place. This gentleman unscrap and drop his trailer. Now he's pulling out. There's them working. There's the crane putting one in place. And there's the guy moving the next sheet to go up. They're cutting a pipe that goes in the ground. We almost pulled out without giving them their copy, so we had to stop. And he's walking back to give them their copy.